Our next part, so we have done bisecting, we have done parallel lines, we have done application. Now we go to circles in contact. Circles in contact. So what I'll do regarding circles in contact, I'll draw a drawing here that we are going to use to know, to track the sectors so that we can come up with the final drawing of circles in contact. I think for today, I'll go up to circles in contact so that you are able to practice. Or you'll be strong and go up to the polygons.
Sir, I would like you to do the ellipse part because the ellipse is giving me a problem, sir.
So we go up to ellipse. Okay, let's see how far the image is going to be. Let me erase this.
Okay, sir, no, sir, it's fine. Just do circles in contact.
She's doing a catch-up. Some of us will do that.
So it will be too much for the others. Eh? Hi guys, it will be too much. Okay, we'll end on this one, the last one. These other ones, we'll do them maybe after you practice on these ones we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have. When I draw like this, a zigzag line, it means the center where it is unknown. We don't know. We need to find it. This one, when I do this, it means the center where it is not known. We don't know. We need to find it. Now, what makes it to be circles in contact? Can you see this is a circle? This is another circle, though it is drawn halfway. This is another circle. This is a circle. So it's all circles touching each other. Contact is touching each other. Circles touching each other. How do you draw? Okay, so now we have circles in contact. Circles in contact. The first thing you need to do is to find the known centers. So like this one, I'll call it center 1. This is center 2. Then we don't know center 3, it's question mark. We don't know center 4, it's also center 4 is the question mark. So you first allocate the known, then you go and look for the unknown. Not so. First put what you know in position, then you look for what you don't know. 30 seconds in contract. Put together what you know in position, then you look for what you don't know. So what we will do, we need to allocate center 1. So we are able to allocate these centers. All you do, you draw first this cross using your instruments. Then you measure down 20 millimeters is 20. Then draw this line. Measure 100. Draw that line. Then you have allocated the 2 centers. Center 1 and center 2. After that, using construction lines, don't outline until you are done. Draw a circle of radius 50, so open 50. Draw a circle. Then again, open 25, draw another circle. After you have drawn these 2 circles, then we need now to start first with the first arc. We finish, we go to the second arc. Okay? Please, when you look all these methods we are talking about, it's what builds the cars, aeroplanes, houses, roads, mining equipment, any industry equipment. Whatever you talk about that is designed, that is manufactured. It's only this simple concept. You put them together, at the end you apply them, then you produce the end product. We'll see as we go. After we do this, I want us to draw 150, to find 150 radius. How do we find 150 radius? What you need to know is that we have these 2 circles. The 150 is a circle touching them continuous like this. And its center is somewhere there. Can you see? This 150. The small circles are inside the 150, not outside. Are we together? So, the center of that we know is C1. C1. Then the center of that we know is C2. Now we are looking for center C3. How do we get C3? So the way we get C3 in analysis, C3 is the distance, is the center used to draw that. So this is the radius 150. But this radius 150, if I draw a line here, it is also the same there. Now how do I get this distance here? I've got this radius and I've got the 150. How do I get this distance, W? That is what we need. Are we going to add this radius for this one and this one, or we subtract? Eh? If we add, we will go outside. We subtract. So you will say W is equal to 150 minus 50. This is the 50. 50 is this one. Then it gives you 100. Ne? Why are we looking for 100? So that we can use 100 taking advantage of center 1. So I'll go to center 1 here. Open 100. Compass. Open your compass 100. Ne? Come to center 1 because you use the 50. You use the 50 here. So use center number 1. Don't use here. Here you have got 25. Please. So come here. Draw what? An arc. Using that center. So the distance from there to there is what? 100. From there to there. You draw this arc. Then come here. It's this one. The distance from there to there is smaller than the radius. You are still subtracting. So you say, for this side, this one is 150 minus 25 is equal to 125. You are using a different circle now. So you say 150 minus 25. Come here, open 125, and draw an arc. That arc from there to there is 1, 2, 5. Where they cross each other, again I insist, where they cross each other is where you put the plus sign. We call it center mark. Put a center mark here. Not multiplication, a plus sign. After that, draw a line, faint line. From here, passing through there, going to cut there. Sign is compromised. Like that. The same way, draw a line from there, passing through there, cutting there. Where these 2 points are found, this is your point of contact. Have I made myself clear here? Is there any uncertainties? And to eat a cow is to eat bit by bit. That's why we are talking of them in parts. But when you build it, at the end they say he ate a cow. Okay? But it didn't take it one bite. So we are doing them small, so that you can use them for the bigger thing. After that, outline your drawing. Come here, open to P, check if it's corresponding, draw an arc. We found the center, and there is a center mark. And I've shown these lines to guide you where you touch. Then you draw your arc. Is there any question? Any question? Are we fine? Okay? Bit by bit, you get there. I know in first day you can't be very fine, but you have to be closer to the clearance. Ne? Then after that, let us look at this arc of center 4. How do we get center 4? So, our drawing for center 4, when I draw it independently here, it's a small circle, and another big circle outside there. Now, your center here is center 4. This center is center 1. This center is center 2. For you, you move from center 4 to the ITSI outside, then you proceed to center 1. Are you adding or you are subtracting? You are adding, eh? So we are going to say, since we are adding the distance from there to there, it's 120 plus 50, which is 170. Is that clear? Then you open your compass. Because you are using this circle, use this figure only this side. Open your compass 170. Put your compass here at center 1. Draw an arc down there. This is the 170. Is that clear? The same way, this side, you've got a distance from there and it proceeds there. So you say 120, the distance from there to there. 120 plus 25 is equal to 145. Put your compass here, open 145, and draw an arc. Put your compass here, open 145, then draw an arc to cut this. Once it cuts this arc that you drew, this one. Okay, I can't draw it there because it will be too many lines. Put a center mark there. And we draw a line from here only to end at the center. From here to end at the center. Because your arc is below. You don't need to go all the way. So, there. Our point of contact is there. Their point of contact is there. After that, draw an arc. Put your compass there, open to here, and check. Then after that, draw an arc. Then you make those blue circles outline. Is that clear? Do you understand? I know understanding is the big word, but are you getting there? Any question? Any question? Okay. So if there's no question, we will end on circles in contact so that you can do some work. You will start first with that same drawing I've drawn here. Then I'll give you the work so that you can polish it. Okay, we'll just go check.